Tips to help you make money with affiliate marketing. You cannot go anywhere without somebody giving you their advice about affiliate marketing. You do not know if they are telling you good information or just what they might have picked up on from unknown sources. If you want the real information and want to be your own expert on the subject, this video is for you. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your webpage. You can't expect to just make a webpage and that people will just find it. Plan things out and it should help with bringing people to your webpage. See how an affiliate company tracks outside orders before choosing one. If orders made through phone or email are not linked back to your unique affiliate ID, notable amounts of your commission may never make it to you. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. In conclusion, it can be trying to listen to so-called experts give you their opinion on affiliate marketing. The tips and tricks in this video have been widely proven time and time again. Hopefully, this video will help to either clear up what you were unsure about, or give you some new information. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.